Kyle Bradge from Chaparral Motorsports here with Mike Toll from Cardo. We have a brand new exciting thing to introduce to you today. You may have seen in some of our previous videos with Mike, we've talked about the JBL speakers being in the new Cardo Packtalk Bold.
Yeah.
Now we have a feature, a brand new product that will allow you to upgrade your original Packtalk unit to JBL sound. Now, Mike, tell us a little about this feature.
So this accessory, you're spot on. This accessory is a really cool addition to the Cardo family of products. And in fact, it does fit other brands as well. Anything with a 3.5 millimeter jack. Before we jump into that though, the sound partnership, the sound by JBL that comes included with the Freecom 4 Plus, the Packtalk Slim, and the Packtalk Bold for 2019, incredible stuff. This stuff has never been done before, and this is really giving the reins to a real audio company, one that really knows their stuff, and saying, hey, you guys do sound, here's control, right? So the sound output coming out of the Cardo product stuff, the Freecom 4 Plus, the Slim, and the Bold right out of the gate is unparalleled. It's unlike anything that's been done in the past. Now, say you have an original Packtalk, right? So
Which I've got.
What you've got, yes. Or an original Packtalk Slim, or even a Freecom 1, not the Plus, but the original Freecom 1, right? Going back a few years. And you want to take advantage of this JBL partnership, this sound by JBL, this is the solution for you. MSRP is 89 bucks, and this is the kit.
So when you open up the kit, you're gonna find some speakers, you're gonna find an instruction manual that has a QR code on the back that you're gonna scan in order to be able to unlock that feature within the Packtalk unit itself or any of the other Cardo options. You're gonna have the spacers that allow the speakers to be positioned in the correct place. Now, the thing that I wanna mention about this is it really comes down to audio profiles, like Mike said earlier. If you have like an AM radio and you plug some super bitchin' speakers into it, you're still gonna have AM radio sound.
Totally.
So these JBL speakers are amazing, but if you don't do that firmware update to your Packtalk unit or your Freecom or any of the other Cardo pieces that you're using, you're not gonna unlock those audio profiles. So the speakers will be better, but they're not gonna be to the full potential that you'll get if you do the firmware upgrade and unlock the profiles.
Nailed it on the head. Just to recap what you're saying, you nailed it. The speakers are 50% of the equation, right? Are they good? Yeah, they're great, actually. They plug in 3.5 jack, plug it in anything you want. This is one half of the equation. The other half is the firmware that is unlocked by buying this accessory. The QR code is in the packaging, like you mentioned. If you're installing this on a Pack Series model, Packtalk Bold, Packtalk Slim, then you'll get the 3 audio profiles. Standard, which is by no means standard, it's still optimized, but standard, bass boost, and vocal. So I guess the takeaway is when you purchase this, you're getting the firmware, which is the big one, and you're also getting the 45 millimeter sound by JBL speakers. This is awesome. This is some next level stuff. And one other thing before I forget, the face of it's 45 millimeters. A lot of people go, ooh man, is that gonna fit in my helmet, right? It's already tight. The back side of it is a perfect circular 42 millimeters. I haven't been unable to install it in a helmet, so it will fit.
Perfect. So we just basically unplug the original speakers that are in there, plug in these, do the firmware update. So we're gonna go through that process right now. So jump in real quick.
Tell you what.
So you need to have the Cardo app on your phone, which already is linked to your unit. And then what you're gonna see is when you open the app, you're gonna see a little lock next to audio profiles. That's really what we're gonna be playing with today.
So we've got our Packtalk here. If you look at your phone and it says Cardo Smart Set, erase it, kill it, thank it for its service, move on to the Cardo Connect app. That's our best foot forward. That is the new app for all the Cardo products. Open that up. At the top left, you'll see a little gear. And assuming you have the most recent software, which you should always have firmware on your headset, you'll see a little tab down there that says Audio Profiles. When you click that, it's gonna cue you to scan the QR code. All right, in the box, you've got this little sheet. On the back side is your QR code. All you're gonna do is scan QR, hold that in front of it, validating your code. Audio Profiles have been successfully activated. Now we've just stepped into the future. Standard, bass boost, vocal, right out of the gate. This is already now has the firmware to do it. Your phone knows how to control it. You've got the 45 millimeter speakers plugged in. You've now got the best in-helmet experience pertaining to audio.
So if you're looking for concert sounding audio inside your helmet, this is a sure way to do it. The JBL speaker experience and firmware upgrade from Cardo, the only one in the industry that has sound this good. Now, Mike was just talking about the app that he's using. Now, today I noticed that I was using the wrong app. So I pulled up my phone, I see that I've got a Packtalk 3.0 here. I've been using this for several years and I haven't obviously been up to date on my firmware upgrades. So I would need to upgrade the firmware.
Yeah.
So I thought that all I had to do was upgrade the firmware, but that's not necessarily correct. This app is no longer the correct app to be using. So on Mike's phone here, you can see this blue app here is the one that I've got on my phone. You need to go ahead and delete that app off your phone and get this app over here, the white Cardo one.
That is now the new app. So anything past 4.0 software on the Pack series is going to go from Smart Set, kill that, download the new Cardo Connect app. In fact, if you've got the Smart Set app on your phone today, just kill it, erase it.
So if you're looking to have the most current, up-to-date features and benefits of these units, make sure you do the updates, just like your phone. When your phone gets an update, your phone provider has given you new features and benefits, they've tweaked some things, they've fixed bugs. It's always a good thing to do. Thanks, Mike, for walking us through the features and benefits of this great new product from Cardo and JBL. If you want more action like this to come directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. If you liked anything you saw today, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.